Brian, Tony Fennell, Prime Motorcars, 978-764-1232. This one's for you. This is a view of your vehicle today, before it gets on a shipper truck. Your 21 M2 CA 4X, the Mercedes-Benz cargo van, 144 wheelbase, high roof, four-wheel drive with the 6-cylinder diesel with blue-gray, the black painted special wheels, the special black painted wheels. I wanted you to be able to see that there's no damage. It's in pristine shape. The doors open up 270 degrees, just about kiss the quarter panels. You can see the Mercedes-Benz Hitch. Look at the mill on this. Minerals when they make their steel. Handles here to help you get in with the step. That step, near the step, has the electrical, the 7-way connector. High roof, extra LED lights next to the standard cargo lights. Hardboard paneling, wood floor, anti-slip, so when your feet are wet, you won't slip and fall down, with the 6 D-rings to strap your cargo down. You'll get a chance to view the 360-degree camera in the dashboard that shows 11 miles on it. Again, electrical to plug your trailer in. And a view from the side. A nice handle here to help get in. We'll get a view from the passenger side of your black leatherette interior. Look, your heated seat switch, power seats with memory. A nice touch right here on the armrest. That large MBUX, right now it's showing the camera view. We're going to show you that it has 11 miles on it. It's already been filled up and serviced. It's already been through the shop. And I'm going to get my camera phone out to show you it's today's date and the time. So here it is, Wednesday, September 29th. It's 11:30 right now. And I just want to make a statement as like a testimony. So you signed off on the Hermes chip. There should be a document right there that explains what you're signing off on. The Hermes chip that will be installed later when Mercedes-Benz has a process for that. They will know that you own the vehicle, and they will send you a letter to let you know that that can be installed when they have that process implemented at any dealership in North America. So you can have it done at home at your convenience. You just schedule that appointment when they have that process implemented. The other question was about shipping and damage. So that's on the shipper. That's why we don't get involved. You can call the shipper to find out what their policy is, but obviously any shipping damage is on the shipper, and they'll cover that through their insurance policy. Anything that's a manufacturer defect, you covered. 336. Anybody that can figure out a manufacturer defect will take care of that under warranty at a Mercedes-Benz store for you. So if you have problems, whether it's a manufacturer defect or shipping, you're covered. There should be no problems with that. And I'll send this video to you as quick as I can, and I'll type in the same statements. I hope this helps. Another thing, my company needs this buttoned up today. They need you to wire the money and sign Maverick. So if you can let me know what time that appointment is for Maverick, you're going to sign the documents. Let me know that you made them, you signed them. And if you can just let me know that you wired the money, I have to have it done today, or I'll have to sell this vehicle to someone else. So please, the big part of this, just so that you understand, is we'll lose our allocation. So it'll hurt our allocation if this isn't done today. My managers have told me if I can't have you take care of this today, I will sell this to another person. We have customers in line. Thank you very much. I hope you understand. Have a good day.